Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on Design Spark Mechanical, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a rectangular chain link. I did a similar video in Rhino. This is going to be almost the same, but it will be in Design Spark. So we'll go ahead and create a new design, change that to plan view. We're going to do this in inches. So we'll come over here to Design Spark Options, we'll navigate to Units, and we'll change from metric to imperial. Sometimes I notice you got to do this a couple times. Okay, units, inches. Okay, it should be good. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and draw our chain link. So we're going to go ahead and make this let's make this 1 inch, and then we'll get a line tool and we'll do this 2.5. Okay, we'll go ahead and create another round. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and go from the quad to quad there. Same on this side. Go ahead and get our trim away tool. We're going to trim away this piece. Actually, all these pieces right here. This is just going to be our link. I think I want it to be a little bit taller, so we're going to go ahead and offset this. 0.25. We'll go ahead and delete that. Let's get rid of these. Get our 3-point arch, endpoint to endpoint, and then we'll go endpoint to endpoint. Okay, that's going to be our link here. So now we'll go ahead and change the view from top view to isometric view. We're going to click on this 3D mode. We're going to grab our circle tool, and we're going to click right there, where that point is. We're going to click and drag our link. Maybe we'll go 0.375. Okay. Now we're going to go to pull. We're going to select this, and we're going to go, we want to pull this, sweep it along a trajectory, so we'll click that. And we're going to triple click to get everything, and then we're going to select full pull. Okay, this is going to be our link. We don't need this. Get rid of that. So now we're going to go back to top view. And I'm going to show you a little trick that I use that helps me create the chain link. Is I go ahead and come up here to display. I go down to go over to the split, and I change to 4 viewports. So now I can go ahead and we can move this over. And we'll go ahead and hold down the control key, click, and then drag till we get to about here. Okay, now we want to spin this window here. Now we want to select just this link. And then we want to grab this red arrow here, and we want to rotate it 90 degrees. So go to 90. Okay, now we can select this link down here and just move this over. Okay, now we can go ahead and select these links. Hold down control key and click the red and just drag over. And this is going to be how we start our chain link. Go to spin. So we have a top side, and then we'll just continue on down the path to create the chain. We'll do the same here. We can move this over. Now we can go ahead and go back to display, go back to the split, go to one viewport. Now we can control minus. Now we can go ahead and select all that, hold down control key and move another link over. And then we can go select all, grab the red arrow and just move it over. And then if we want to do one more, we can go ahead and hold down the control key, drag this over, control minus, because this is going to be our chain. It's not hard to do. Alright, we'll go ahead and view this in top mode. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. That was a quick little brief tutorial on how to create a chain link in Design Spark Mechanical. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of this video. Thanks again for watching.